Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you quick, no-nonsense breakdowns of everyday essentials. In today's video, we're reviewing the best Libman Wonder Mop Refill on the market, the Libman 90 Cotton Deck Mop Refill. Let's start with the basics. If you're looking for a reliable, high-absorbency mop head for tough cleaning jobs around the house or even on patios, decks, or garage floors, this refill should be at the top of your list. Produced by Libman, a trusted American brand that's been around since 1896, this mop refill continues their tradition of creating high-quality, durable cleaning tools. The Libman 90 Cotton Deck Mop Refill is made from 100% cotton and is designed for maximum water absorption. That means it picks up spills quickly and leaves your floors drier, faster. Whether you're cleaning up after a big mess or doing regular maintenance, this mop head is built to handle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Now what really makes this mop head stand out is its construction. It features a 4-ply yarn that increases both absorbency and durability. It's not just any cotton. This is a recycled blended cotton material, which adds to its sustainability and strength. At 8 ounces, the mop head offers a good balance between size and maneuverability, ensuring you can cover a lot of surface without feeling like you're dragging a sack of wet fabric. Another thing we love is the ease of replacement. Swapping out your mop head doesn't have to be a chore, and with this design, it's as simple as it gets. Just remove the old one, snap the new one into place, and you're ready to go. While the handle is sold separately, this refill is compatible with Libman's standard cotton deck mop setup, which features a plastic handle for comfortable use. So, if you already have a Libman mop, you won't have to worry about compatibility. One detail worth pointing out is that this product is proudly made in the USA. That speaks volumes about quality control, labor standards, and overall product consistency. For those wondering about its versatility, this mop is recommended for use on floors, indoor or outdoor. It's especially effective on rougher surfaces like wooden decks, concrete floors, and garages, where traditional microfiber mops might wear out too quickly. To sum it up, the Libman 90 Cotton Deck Mop Refill is a solid, dependable product that offers excellent performance, durability, and sustainability. If you need a mop head that's tough on grime but easy on effort, this is a smart addition to your cleaning arsenal. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another one of our quick critiques. See you in the next video.